As of now, she is stable, and we hope that she has a speedy recovery soon.
मेंटली मानसिक तौर पर कैसी, क्या वो बोल पा रही है?
वो बिल्कुल बोल पा रही हैं, बट थोड़ा जैसे आप सब समझ सकते हैं, हम सब समझ सकते हैं कि थोड़ा मानसिक संतुलन इस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा इंसान पूरा बैलेंस नहीं रख पाता है. तो शी इज फाइन, शी इज टॉकिंग, बट she is slightly depressed, but I am sure she will come out.
Has she been counseled?
Yes, she has been.
Has she required any surgery as of now, or are you planning one?
She went through a very minor procedure this morning, and right now she is in recovery. So that's it.
And what procedure is it?
See, it's a minor investigation procedure. That's it.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन का ये बताता है कि मतलब वो गैंगरेप का शिकार है, और ऐसे में अगर हमने प्रीवियस केसेस को देखा है उसको रिकवर होने में काफी वक्त लगा था. तो इस केस में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है कि जल्दी कोई सर्जरी की जरूरत है क्या?
देखिए, आज की तारीख में हम अभी इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हैं, बट व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू, आज की तारीख में शी इज स्टेबल, शी इज डूइंग वेल, वो ठीक रहे.
कोई सर्जरी की जरूरत है नहीं.
अब जो थोड़ी सर्जरी चाहिए थी आज हो चुकी है उनकी. I cannot reveal you that at this moment. Can we have one? हाँ, बोलिए. It was an investigation done in the theatre to examine her properly.
Can you call it a surgical procedure?
Not really. But it was a procedure because all the procedures which happen in the theatre, even if it is an examination, it is a part of the procedure. See, on this we will come back to you on tomorrow. As of now, we all are praying and all of us are wishing that she gets well soon. I am sure you all are also wishing the same.
And can we expect to get discharged from the ICU?
She is right now not in ICU, number one. Okay, so I think that will also put an end to quite a bit of queries that you have. So now coming to the discharge part, that we will not be able to comment as of today because see, it's just yesterday. So we have to come to 24 hours before we comment on the discharge.
Just a confirmation, was she ever put into the ICU this thing, or she was never admitted in the ICU at all?
She was never admitted in the ICU.
Is she likely to undergo any surgical procedures tomorrow? Is she going to need any surgical procedures?
As of now, we don't know about it, but we will update you as well.
Has the internal bleeding been stopped as yet?
Pardon? She is right now under the care of gynecologist.
So is the internal bleeding stopped? The bleeding has stopped?
Yeah, the bleeding right now is under control.
And where all is the surgical injury?
See, as when I said, you will have to respect me for certain questions which I will not go.
No, about the external injuries, ma'am. What is the extent of the external injuries? If you could just throw some light on that.
Any fractures?
See, I'll tell you. Okay, see, she doesn't have any fracture, but since this case is still under investigations on these parts, if you need further detail, I think we are not the right authorities to comment on it.
स्टेबल है, सारी चीजें, कोई सर्जरी की जरूरत नहीं है.
मैंने कहा एज ऑफ नाउ शी इज स्टेबल.
सर्जरी की जरूरत है, तो कब तक उनको डिस्चार्ज किया जा सकता है?
उनकी जिस तरह की स्थिति होएगी कल सुबह, उस हिसाब से हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि कब डिस्चार्ज हो सकता है. एज ऑफ नाउ वी कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग.
Okay, last question, please. Last question.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, वन क्वेश्चन.
Has he also been treated, and what kind of injuries does he have? Because he also seems to be enough.
The boy is not admitted in our hospital. I cannot comment on his.
He was taken first aid.
Pardon?
He was brought to the casualty yesterday. So did he have any serious injuries?
I would still maintain that he is not admitted.
When was the police notified?
Closing remark last.
Okay. We've already had an 8 minutes interaction with you.
Okay, last question, please. Last
Please,
question.
last question.
Yeah. And the boy who came along was treated in the casualty. How serious were his injuries?
See, that boy is not a patient of Jaslok Hospital.
Yeah, we know, but
I will not be able to comment on him since he is not with me right now.
he was at the casualty before.
He was not a part of casualty as a patient.
One last question. He was treated here, right? For some. Yeah. Was he not treated? Like just clarify. Was he not treated at all here? Or was he told? We are under the impression that he was treated.
No, we cannot.
I will not like to comment on that.
Ma'am, just one question.
Last question हो गया
Yeah,
मैडम.
one question. She's asking of gang rape. ये कहाँ जा रहा है पुलिस की तौर से भी. तो एग्जाम जो मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन किया क्या उसमें ये वो साबित होता है?
सैंपल्स उनके लिए जा चुके हैं और उसको फोरेंसिक मेडिसिन के जांच के लिए भेजा गया है. तो उसके बाद ही इस नतीजे में वो ही पुख्ता करेंगे, हम नहीं कर सकते.
कब तक रिपोर्ट आएंगे आपके पास?
ओके.
Yeah, I think